Do you wish you could get more money in savings? Are you dying to get out of that cubicle? Or maybe you're terrified that you're just never going to be able to retire and you're going to be working until noon the day of your funeral. Well, the good news is today I'm going to be showing you how I have built out 7 different streams of income using a system that I have created to make them all work together to help me have financial freedom. And be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to teach you how you can do the exact same thing.
Okay, let's start by taking a look at all of my different passive income streams. So I have my adjunct job. I have summer workshops that I teach, affiliate income that I bring in, ad revenue, which I temporarily have suspended. We'll get to that later. Master classes, courses, my template shop, and YouTube, fingers crossed, like and subscribe. So these are all of my different income streams. And I didn't even realize how many I had until I realized they didn't quite all fit on this bulletin board. So now this is not the order I started them in, so we're going to make some rearrangements. So as many of you know, I am a multi-passionate entrepreneur. And if you're new here, then you're going to figure that out very, very quickly. And the thing is, I did not start all of these income streams at once. And Buster thinks they should remain top secret, but I'm going to give them to you anyway. So I started out with my private music studio. It's the first income stream I built out and started to grow. Then I managed to pick up my adjunct job on top of that. They pay for my car, they pay all my bills, these 2 jobs. Now, beyond that, these are all extra income streams. So the next thing I did was I incorporated blogs and I started earning affiliate income and ad revenue. Now, I have temporarily paused the ad revenue because I was not pleased with the way my website started performing after the last Google update. I plan to add that back in later, but with a different ad server. I then added in master classes. I started teaching master classes in order to sell my courses. So after I taught the master class, what I did was I put it online as an evergreen one-off $29 master class, and I sell those as well. Then I have courses. They're go at your own pace courses that I recorded one time, put up for sale, and now every time I make a sale, I earn money off of something I did one time. The same thing with the master classes. Up next was my summer workshops. Summer workshops are stuff that I run sometimes in the summer. I decided not to do them this summer. And these I call semi-passive. I recorded all the videos for them the first round, but I also do live sessions as part of them. My memberships came next. And these memberships, Passive Income Academy and Creative SEO, both bring in regular recurring income, and they help people stay current as to what's going on with Google and what's going well with passive income at the moment. Now, the 2 that didn't fit on this sheet are YouTube, which you're currently watching. Now, YouTube, I am not yet monetized with AdSense, but I do use YouTube to bring in sales to my membership, to my master classes, etc. I do want to eventually get monetized with AdSense, and I want to grow so that I can start working in brand deals as part of it. So make sure that you like and smash that subscribe button. And then finally, my template shop is new. It's just now opening, and I anticipate that it's going to do well also. So as you can see, I have a very diverse income portfolio that I have built out with a variety of things that are interconnected. So let's take a look at exactly how they're interconnected.
So when we look at my income portfolio, we're going to start with my adjunct job. I have it all by itself because it's an outlier. It is the one thing that does not connect to my other areas of my income portfolio. I also know that this adjunct job is very volatile and could go away at any moment, so I don't rely on it. It is simply a small portion of my income portfolio. Up next is my private music studio is a huge portion of my income. And as a result of my private music studio, I added in these summer workshops. Summer workshops were developed in a semi-passive format so that I could sell them to members of my private music studio as well as other members of the community or students of a similar age. Now, the next element of my business are my blogs. I have 3 blogs. I started with one, added another one, and then another one, so it didn't all happen at once. And my blogs bring in affiliate income. They also have brought in ad revenue in the past and will bring in ad revenue again. I'm working on a new ad strategy, but at the moment I do have my ads turned off. Now, beyond my blogs, I have my coaching business. Now, my coaching business ties my private music studio and my blogs together with both one-on-one coaching and my courses. I have a membership that ties in with SEO, creative SEO. It ties into my blogs. I also have a membership, Passive Income Academy, and that ties in with all of these different revenue streams. Okay, after my coaching business comes my YouTube channel. I use my YouTube channel as a way to market my courses, my memberships, my blog posts, get readers there, etc. I also hope to eventually have YouTube monetized. Make sure you like and subscribe to bring in its own revenue stream and the possibility of brand deals as I grow. But right now it is still being used as a passive income stream, even though it's young and in its infancy. Okay, and then that finally brings me to the template shop. The template shop is brand new. It has a template for how I run my music studio. It's a Notion template where you can organize your entire studio. That is also going to branch out into my coaching business. I will have templates for my blogs on how to keep up with your blog content, how to track all your blog metrics. All of those will be templates that do that for you. And eventually, I hope to have templates for YouTube scripting and YouTube videos as well. But this is how all of my multiple passive income streams tie together, with the exception of the outlier, my adjunct job, which, like I said, I do not rely on this job. It could go away at any time. It's not very well paying. I even have a video on it if you want to check it out. And it's actually my highest performing video so far. So this is my income portfolio. As you can see, it's very diversified so that in any element of this goes away at any given time. It's simply an inconvenience because I have multiple different income streams to back it up. All of these come together and form what I like to call my income portfolio.
Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or you're dying to get out of that cubicle and work for yourself, building out a diverse income portfolio is so important in today's very unstable economy. And for that, you need multiple income streams. And if you're also a multi-passionate like me and want to build out several in a variety of things, check out this video. And until next time, peace out. Buster, I need people to see this. Can you come over here? Come over here. Lie down. Good sit. That'll work. I'll take it.